Journey back in time to a place where the hum of machinery and the spirit of innovation changed the course of history. Welcome to Woonsocket, Rhode Island, a city brimming with stories waiting to be told. And at the heart of it all, the Woonsocket Museum of Work and Culture, a treasure trove of history nestled in the historic Island Place district. Here, history isn't just observed, it's experienced. Step into the shoes of a farmer in the immersive farmhouse exhibit, or feel the weight of history in the authentic spinning throstle, where men, women, and children once toiled with. Through digital screens and hands-on exhibits, the museum brings to life the stories of immigrants who sought new beginnings in the heart of Woonsocket's mills. And before you say goodbye, make sure to swing by the gift shop. With books that sing songs of mills and the souls they nurtured, you can take a piece of Woonsocket's heart back home. So, when wanderlust strikes and you yearn for a voyage through time, remember the Woonsocket Museum of Work and Culture awaits. It's more than a museum, it's a gateway to the past, inviting you to explore the tapestry of human endeavor and resilience. Don't just learn history, live it right here in Woonsocket. See you at the museum.